Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app. Then you're gonna see options like skip and sign in at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on skip. Then a menu will appear on the screen where you're gonna see options like sign up with Apple, connect with Facebook, connect with Google, and sign up with email. I'm going to show you by connecting it with Google. Tap on connect with Google and select continue from your screen. Now it's gonna take you to accounts.google.com where you're gonna have to select in Google account that you want to use to sign up. Now tap on continue from your screen. Once you do that, in a couple seconds, it's gonna take you back to Fiverr app. Go ahead and set up your username for Fiverr. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on sign up from your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.